In a computer center environment, where each cabinet is equipped with two 20-amp circuits from diverse power sources and static switched power distribution units, a critical question arises concerning the maximum amperage available during a power failure. Each piece of equipment uses dual power cords for redundancy. The primary concern involves understanding the amperage limits and the impact of inrush current on circuit load. In the event of a power failure on one source, the static switch will automatically transfer the load to the remaining circuit. Therefore, the maximum amperage available to the total circuit is 20 amps. This is because the functioning circuit is still capable of providing its full rated capacity. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, while not specifically addressing this precise scenario, offers guidance. The code states that the ampacity of a branch circuit must be sufficient to handle the maximum load connected to it. For a 20-amp circuit, the code specifies a maximum continuous load of 16 amps. This is derived from a provision that limits continuous loads to 80% of the circuit's rating, as detailed in NEC section 210.20. A1. This 80% rule accounts for the potential of continuous operation, preventing overheating and ensuring safety. Inrush current, a transient surge of current that occurs when equipment is initially powered on, is another important factor. Computer equipment can exhibit substantial inrush current, potentially exceeding the steady-state current significantly, though only for a short period. The presence of dual power cords helps mitigate the effect of inrush current on each individual circuit. Because the load is shared, the inrush current experienced by each circuit is reduced. Overcurrent protection devices, or OCT, such as circuit breakers or fuses, play a crucial role in safeguarding the electrical system. These devices are designed to interrupt the circuit when the current exceeds a predetermined threshold. For a 20-amp circuit, the OCT should be rated for 20 amps. This rating ensures that the circuit is protected against overloads, including those caused by inrush current or sustained high current draw. Considering these factors, a reasonable approach is to acknowledge that while 20 amps is technically available from the backup circuit, the continuous load should ideally remain within the NEC recommended 80% limit, translating to 16 amps. The presence of dual power supplies and appropriate overcurrent protection provides a safety margin for handling inrush currents and short-term fluctuations. The dual power cord configuration further helps to mitigate inrush current effects on each circuit. Ultimately, the system design leverages redundancy and overcurrent protection to maintain reliable power delivery to critical computer equipment, even during a power source failure.